Welcome back, everyone. I am Patrick. I am your host, and I do the crypto news over here. I do update you guys daily. For all you new people out there, welcome to my channel. I'm going to update you guys on a new thing right now. And so if you like my videos, definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe. But what I want to talk about today with you guys is Ripple, because we've seen Ripple up over 225% in 2020. And this is over Bitcoin's gain of 165%. That's like about a 1.5 gain. So Ripple is actually beating a 2x gain over Bitcoin right now. So it's a better investment. It went up from about 20 cents in the last few months to 60 cents when this during this all-time high, and we've seen Bitcoin at the all-time high of around the $19,000 mark. So let's get into it, guys. I'm going to show you a little bit about CoinDesk and what's going on in here. So this first article I want to share with you guys is it says first mover short riff for XRP's token, 169% price surge as traders obsess over Bitcoin. So we saw that Bitcoin, if you look right here, it was yesterday, it went from 18,300 to 19,300. That's $1,000 difference, guys. And that helped push the all-time high up to $19,920. A lot of experts are saying that from this, there's going to be a lot of short-term volatility, and that always happens with Bitcoin. Things are always changing. It's like with the markets always going, and there's just all different things happening. And it says as Bitcoin dominated headlines in November with its rally towards the all-time high, one of the most prominent alternative currencies, XRP, quietly jumped 169% during the month to the top performance rankings among the digital assets on the CoinDesk 2020. So they're basically just saying that XRP is moving it's moving really good here. It's like if you look right here, it's up 225%, and it has a $21.4 billion market cap compared to Bitcoin's 350 million. So it's still a lot less, but there's a lot more XRP in value. Remember, Bitcoin's limited. They have like XRP. There's a lot more of them. So they have so people buy up a lot more, but you can make a lot more on these opposed to just like the really popular Bitcoin, which everyone's doing right now. So that's one thing I want to tell you guys on this channel, because I like to keep you guys updated on what's the best coin to make money if you just joined in right now. A lot of people aren't going to just buy Bitcoin and just make money right off the bat. You're going to have to start off with Ripple or some of these other coins that are in the top. I'd say stay within the top 200. In the first couple pages, if you go to CoinMarketCap, you can check it out, but stay within the top ones. That's where you're going to make the most money. But going from Bitcoin, unless you have a really ton of money, a shit ton of money, you're not going to make that right away. So just go for the safer options. I think Ripple is one of the safest options right now. You look down a few more things on this. It's just going to say that here's CoinDesk asset returns in November. XRP is one of the top ones. XLM is at 153. We got Dash. Then we got Ethereum, Litecoin, and then the list goes down and down. So you can kind of see right there. And we're always dealing with the top 20, top 200 cryptocurrencies. And they tell you what's hot to watch. And another thing I want to get in with you guys right now is there's another article where the Ripple CEO, he basically has backed a threat to leave the U.S. Ripple, and I want to tell you guys, Ripple used to be the firm that dealt with the banks the best, and it follows has the best good behavior. They're on their they basically do all the compliances. They a lot of people they're trying to use it for like cross-border payments and all these things, but now things are changing, and they're opening up an office in Dubai, and they're trying to get away from. They're trying to get some more. They're trying to threaten to leave the company with their home base, with their headquarters, because the U.S. regulatory isn't confirming that they're basically giving uncertainty with their regulatory regulations that could really hurt them in the future. So here's the takeaway, guys, from this article right here, and it basically says this is the CEO from Ripple, and this is I think it's Brad Garlinghouse, and he basically said Ripple used the position itself to as the regulatory-friendly crypto firm. Now the company is threatening to leave the U.S. over regulatory uncertainty. Lack of clarity from the SEC about its legal status is a sticking point. The company is fighting several private investor lawsuits over the securities question, reportedly eyeing an initial public offering, which they can't do. Ripple might not move after all, and they basically just said, like in this article, if you read down, Binance basically doesn't have no one knows where their headquarters are. They've moved a bunch of times, so they keep it kind of secret, which is because they're like a private company. And some of these other ones, if you look, see Ripple is still a far cry from Binance. The global currency exchange has hopped from one jurisdiction to another and refused to even say exactly where it's headquartered. And so I think with the Ripple, with Ripple like threatening to leave, and we got the coronavirus pandemic that's going on. Everyone knows about the virus pandemic. A lot of people are coming online and they're like trying to find the best ways to make money. But we have to think that like this fear and uncertainty doesn't help Ripple go up right now, but I think it will because the pandemic has pushed Bitcoin up, and we know as long as Bitcoin gets up, all the other ones are going up along with it, and that's just the way it is, guys. We try to get bullish on Ripple just as much as we do Bitcoin. And let me see if I can show you another one. Here's another one right here. It's saying that Visa may support USD credit cards after adding Circle Fast Track program. This is another article I wanted to share. It's saying Visa on Wednesday said it's linking payments to its network of 60 million merchant accounts to the stablecoin they developed with a consortium founded by Circle and Coinbase. So there's a lot of big things happening here, guys. With Visa, this is going to allow people to basically spend their Bitcoin and cryptocurrency right off the bat and not have any problems. Here, when we saw some of these other ones, let me see if I can show you the other one that's on here. I know I had a really good one I wanted to show you guys. I think it's over here. Market Watch. Bitcoin flat as 19K. Bitcoin flat at 19K. This is why it's at 19K, while Ethereum traders bet bearish on 2021. So a lot of things are looking good for 2021. You can see the low volumes are keeping Bitcoin markets at 19,000 neighborhood. Option traders expect a higher price in December, but aren't convinced about next year. It says Bitcoin's trading at the 19,110 range, and they're basically just kind of what we talked about before, that $1,000 difference. And if you look down here, I think there's one important part on this article, but it's at the very bottom. Let me see if I can find it. Out in December, there's a fair distribution. Nothing too important. Yeah, these are all down. Okay, so basically, guys, that's what I wanted to share with you. Let me show you the market of what I wanted to go over. Look, Bitcoin's still at the $19,000 mark. We still have XRP. If you look over here, it is at 60 cents. Let me just show you the gain so you can kind of get an idea of what's been changing here and where it could go. Let's do the 1 year. Okay. So for a while, guys, we hit 17 cents. And then look at, with the corona pandemic, and up in November, we're seeing the huge jump up to 73 cents at the height from 17 cents. What is that, guys? 20, 40, 60. We could definitely hit like a 3x, 4x soon. So I think Ripple, this is going to continue, because if you look at the all-time high, let me show you right here. This is of XRP. People are getting it for 0.000015, and then it went up to 0.008, went up to 0.3 cents. This is when my friend got in, and then it went up to the high of about $3.30. Yeah, you can't really see it here, but $3.30 was the high. And then it went back down for this long slump that we've been having before this all-time highs we're hitting with the pandemic. So it was at 20 cents. And now we are in, let's see, the 3 month. Let's give it a better idea here. Now you can see the huge growth, guys. Look at this right here on November 22nd, 43 cents. November 23rd, 59 cents. Just insane numbers. Then it kind of leveled off. Now it's going to go back up. I have a feeling we are going to hit some huge all-time highs as Bitcoin and all the other ones start going up along with it. That's my prediction, guys. I think this 225% of 2020 is just the start. We could definitely see, $3, $4, $5 XRP within the future, maybe even a $10 XRP. And this is just based on what I've been reading and all different things. So we'll kind of keep a look at it. We'll stay up to date on as much as possible here. You guys, if you guys like my videos, I'm going to teach you guys how to make Bitcoin, and I'm going to do all news videos on this channel. So add me on Facebook. My name's Patrick McLeod, and thank you guys so much for watching. And let's definitely all keep updated together, because it's all hard out there with the corona pandemic going on. People are losing their jobs. People are looking for ways to make money online, and we're all looking for ways to make money through cryptocurrency. So let's try to do it all together, guys. All right, thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit that like button, and make sure to follow me.